Hello everyone, myself Namita Mhadik. My topic name is types of inventory. So let's start with that presentation. Firstly, what is the inventory management? Inventory management refers to the process of ordering, storing and using a company's inventory. This includes the management of raw material components and finished products as well as warehousing and processing such items. For a companies with complex supply chains and manufacturing process, balancing the risks of inventory, gluts and shortage is especially difficult. To achieve this balance, firms have developed two major methods for inventory management. Next is how inventory management works. A company's inventory is one of its most valuable assets. In retail manufacturing, food, goods, service, and other inventory intensive sector, a company inputs and finished product are the core of its business. A shortage of inventory when it's needed can be extremely detrimental. At the same time, inventory can be thought of as a liability, if not in an accounting sense. A large inventory carries the risk of spoilage, theft, damage, or shift in demand. Inventory must be insured and if it is not sold in time, it may have to be disposed of at clearance prices, so simply destroyed. For these reasons, inventory management is important for a business or any size. Knowing when a restock inventory, what amounts to purchase or produce, what price to pay, as well as when to sell and at what price can easily become a complex decision. Appropriate inventory management strategies vary depending on the industry. An oil depot is able to store large amounts of inventory for extended period of time, allowing to it wait for demand to pick up. Inventory accounting. Inventory represents a current asset since a company typically intends to sell its finished goods within a short amount of time, typically a year. Inventory has to be physically counted or measured before it can be put on a balance sheet. Companies typically maintain sophisticated inventory management system capable of tracking real-time inventory levels. Inventory is accounted for using one of three methods: first in, first out, FIFO costing, last in, first out, LIFO costing, or weighted average costing. For accounting purpose, raw material are considered as inventory assets, debited to raw material and credited to accounts payable. Types of inventory: raw material, second work in progress, third finished good. First is raw material. Raw material inventory is the total cost of all components parts currently in stock that have not yet been used in work in progress or finished good production. There are two subcategories of raw material which are direct material, indirect material. These are material incorporated into the final product. Raw material can be divided into two groups, direct and indirect. Direct material are used within the final product. Examples include the wood used to make furniture or the fabric used to make clothing. Indirect material are used throughout the production process but are not indirectly included in the final product. How do raw materials control an inventory? Just take a stock of your raw material and finished product. It's better to have something simple working well than to have something complex that does not work properly. Keep everything lean and increase the complexity of inventory management only if there is a clear business need to do so. Is raw material part of inventory? Raw material can be commodities or components that business buy or extract themselves. In some, they are all the stock that has not been used for manufacturing it. For accounting purpose, raw material are considered as inventory assets, debited to raw material and credited to accounts payable. Second is work in progress. Work in goods in process or in a process inventory are a company's partially finished goods waiting for a completion and eventual sales or the value of these items. These items are either just being fabricated or waiting for a further processing in the quick or a buffer storage. A work in progress is a project that is not yet finished or published. One might say this about a work assignment, a home renovation, or about a one's relationship with another person. No hyphens are necessary. The plural form is a work in progress. Uncountable, work that has been started but is not a complete. All the efforts to make a new man are still work in progress. Countable, a project that has been started but it's not complete. Recognizing my office is a work in progress. Work in progress describe the cost of unfinished goods that the material that remains the manufacturing process, while work in progress refers to material are turned into goods within a short period. Importance of work in progress. One of the most reliable ways to keep an eye on the production capacity, utilization of the company as well as production process is to understand their work in progress. Also, a company work in progress numbers plays a crucial role when applying for loan. How do you record work in progress in accounting? When accounting for this cost in the works in progress, inventory assets accounts, an accountant will assign raw materials associated with the work project, compile all labor costs associated with the work done on the work in progress inventory, assign any overhead cost associated with it, and then record the assets. Third is finished goods. Finished goods are inventory items unique to manufacturers. As retailers purchase their inventory in completed form, there is no need to categorize or segment their inventory. Goods and products that have been purchased ready for sale are known as a merchandise. Finished good inventory refers to the number of manufactured products in stock that are available for customer to purchase. The finished goods inventory formula is an important inventory ratio that can be used to calculate the value of these goods for sales. Finished goods are products that have completed the manufacturing process but have to yet to be sold to customers. Debitor accounting and invoicing software makes it easier to track inventory and manage company assets. Finished goods are inventory items unique to manufacturers and dies. Finished goods are goods that have a completed required manufacturing process and are ready to be fitted, mixed, processed with a final product. The final product itself could also be called finished goods. Examples: car, clothing, food, furniture, etc. Finished goods in accounting. The finished goods inventory is recorded on a company's income statement as a short-term or current asset, as it is assumed that the finished goods will be sold within a year. At the end of the accounting period, the finished goods inventory is usually combined with raw materials and work in progress under one single inventory line on a company's balance sheet. Finished goods will often undergo a markup, meaning that the price of which they are sold is increased from the original purchase price. Markup amounts can differ, but it is not uncommon for markups to be around 50% more than the price of the original manufacturer. Thank you.